Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add cool filters in CapCut for PC. Let's do it! Inserting a filter in CapCut for PC, it's very easy. First, click on the Filters tab. You'll see that there's hundreds of filters to choose. If you are using the Pro version, you can choose any filter, but if you're not, just choose a filter that doesn't have this Pro logo on it. Let's try this Oppenheimer. By clicking in a filter, you can preview it. See? But let's stick with Oppenheimer. Now you've got two options. Option number one, drag and drop this clip above the clip or the clips in your timeline. And that will make all the clips that are below this filter to be affected by it. Or you can drag the effect inside the clip like this. And by doing that, this filter will affect only the clip. Alright, now I've got two filters in my timeline, the one that's inside the clip and this one that it's above. I will delete the clip from above and you can see that my clip now has the Oppenheimer filter in it. Okay, if the filter is inside the clip, exactly what's happening now, you can adjust it by clicking on the clip, going to the Basic tab and clicking here in Filters. See, Oppenheimer just showed up. You can adjust its intensity, 100%, nothing, and you can adjust at your taste, like 50%. You can bypass this filter by unchecking this checkbox, no Oppenheimer, with Oppenheimer. And if you scroll the mouse next to the filter's name, you can click on the trash can to delete this filter. If the filter is above your clips, you can adjust its duration to start affecting the clip from a specific point of your movie, like from now on, and we'll stop here. And you can click on the effect to adjust the intensity as well. If you use a specific filter a lot, you can add this filter to your favorite tab. Just click, for example, in the Oppenheimer, click in this little star here, and now if you click on Favorites, the Oppenheimer will be there. You can add as many filters that you want to the favorite tab. You can also scroll down here to choose your filter by category, like movies, mono, night scene, and you also can use the search box to search for a specific filter type like retro, retro blue. You can type whatever you want in this search box. And that's it. If you liked this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel to get new videos every week. Also, if you want to support my channel with a tiny contribution, just hit on the join button. You will become a member of this channel and you will get access to my content 1 month ahead. See ya!